Ireland sings a mystery. Listen, and you will hear the beginnings of the world. But a grim tide begins to stir. It is a force greater than kingdoms. It is a shadow darker than war. Fear has captured the kingdoms. Whispers of dark spirits. The children of Danu have perverted their beliefs into a weapon.
Whoever plotted this was ready to die.
If it takes a bloody war, we must be prepared for it.
Ireland is scarred by rivalry, but it will take all its kingdoms to save it.
There is but one move to make.
The children of Danu make the poison, but they also hold its cure. I pray the spirits guide you.
He is chaos itself, the scorching sun come to earth.
It ends. Bury the past. Build the future.